What's going on, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing, hanging out Renegade products. We got Randy Manning's 2018 W900 Kenworth. This thing's been on the show circuit all year. He's been traveling all across the country with this thing. It's one of our personal favorites, one of our great customers. We consider him family. What we're going to do here is we're going to wash it, and it rained, I think, 3 or 4 times on the drive out here. So even though he washed it twice, it's still got some light surface rain backsplash on it. So we're going to wash this thing up. Great thing about this video is that we've got paint and aluminum to wash, and we've got a lot of stuff to wipe down and polish. We're going to use the Money Shot foam. We're going to do the aluminum first. We're going to start from the bottom up. We're going to do all the wheels, and then we're going to go into the body, and then we're going to go into the paint. We want to make sure we do it in that order, simply for the drying reasons. We're using DI water, so we shouldn't have an issue with water spotting and stuff on that big aluminum box. But we want to start from the bottom up and make sure we get everything off and keep right on cruising along. All right, now that we got this thing all washed down, what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with some spray wax to help as a drying agent, and we're going to rubber and vinyl the tires, and we're going to wipe the wheels off as soon as we're done with the microfiber. We're also going to use microfiber on the paint when we spray wax. The spray wax is just going to help keep it from spotting. We did use DI water, so it really shouldn't spot anyways, but we're just going to double check and make sure. Now that we got this thing all done, Randy Manning's truck here is all set and ready to roll. We got the tires dressed. We use the spray wax to help us wipe it down. We got all the wheels wiped down. The box is all dry. Everything's looking great. Everything's streak free. This is what you want to see going to a truck show. Thanks everybody for watching these videos. This is Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. Watch my how-to channel, youtube.com/Evan Stager Metal Polishing. And also check out Renegade's YouTube channel, Renegade Products USA, after YouTube.